Hello and/or welcome to Scientific Video Game Lore. My name is Draven, and thank you. Larnacle the Barnacle is one of the many enemies in the Perilous Pierre's run-and gun on Inkle Isle 3, shooting projectiles at the player, which are apparently known as plates. These barnacles have bright yellow eyes, light brown skin, and a white cirrus, or feathery appendages. So let's see if the anatomy checks out. Barnacles stick to surfaces that are submerged in water for often flow and protection from predators. They excrete a fast-hardening concrete-like photoprotein adhesive to station themselves to safe locations for long periods of time. Because of the chemical properties of the substance, it allows itself to harden underwater and stick stronger than any other organic adhesive, disabling the ability to traverse around the board, which is seen in the game. During development, barnacles grow natural houses around themselves, like a fortress. These are known as plates. Once they encase a barnacle, they stay dormant until they get hungry. Barnacles then use their special function that allows themselves to open up a trapdoor through their plate to access food. From here, they use the cirri, or feathery appendages, to filter out edible food for itself. Then, once done using its filter, the barnacle retreats back into its plate. That would mean that Larnacle shoots out a smaller barnacle, right? So is the barnacle a cannibal since it's shooting out of its cirri or food filterer? Well, yes. Through the filter-feeding life, barnacles often digest younger, tiny barnacle babies in the water. Similar to crabs, being related and all, barnacles can regurgitate their gut contents back up, meaning that this on-land barnacle, cut off from the ocean, consumed hundreds of juvenile barnacles far into development, before stranding himself on the boardwalk. Whoa, more anatomy checking out. On the other hand, Larnacle is missing a visible full plate, as seen by the texture and plasticity of his animation. The wiki does claim that the small, gray formations on his skin are his plates, though this does not check out. Wall plates on Larnacles should extensively shield most of his body. Single CaCO3 animal structures growing randomly all over the barnacle is illogical. From any in-game perspective, I totally understand reasons for keeping Larnacle open, allowing him to express his features and portray his character. Though if his body's homeostasis regulation allows his skin to remain exposed, it must mean that his plate production was stunted or inefficient. The fleshy part of a barnacle is known as the mantle, growing and producing the crustacean's plates. This flap of skin covers most of the barnacle's body underneath the plate, preserving and regulating their simple organ system. In between the two, the plate and the mantle leaves a small space in which allows the barnacle to move its cirri in or out of its plate, meaning Larnacle the Barnacle misses a plate as well as the mantle cavity. This cavity is important for a few reasons. Barnacles have both male and female reproductive organs, so when producing children are exported from the barnacle into the mantle cavity. From here, the eggs are able to be incubated and cared for in this space. Without a plate or cavity, the barnacle would be defenseless and unable to support their larvae. In the mantle cavity, fresh water is also trapped when the cirri expels outwards. The barnacle is then able to extract the valid oxygen from the seawater, and then trash the remaining, unimportant, deoxygenated water, along with its own personal waste. In this situation, I would classify Larnacle as a defect. An effective barnacle that without the presence of the needed requirements can function the way it should, though he does include some features that benefit him from normal barnacles. His large, yellow eyes are not customary for a barnacle. At the nauplius stage, small barnacle plankton first grow a set of eyes. However, they are not the final version of their sight. Originally, barnacles used their eyesight to navigate around the sweeping waters. Though, as the years go on, this vision loses its strengths, and during the process of maturing into an adult, these more advanced eyes disappear and are later replaced. The new Barnacles peepers are found simplified into a primitive organ for the only prime reason of sensing light opposing to a compound eye that was eventually shed during its metamorphosis. In the long run, Larnacle with two strong, functioning eyes that allows the species to watch out for specifically Mugman or Cuphead, starts to make up for his defective disadvantages.
Oh, Barnacles.
Ooh, and my apologies for not explaining the game. Cuphead, A Deal with the Devil, takes place in the 1930s style graphics, where a cup owes the devil his soul. To retrieve it back, Cuphead and his brother Mugman must gain the contract of 18 boss fights in their home of the Inkwell Isles. Using their magical finger guns, they defeat various stages of each boss. A running gun, the type of board which Larnacle is seen, is the only other distinct different version of gameplay in the game, where you actively move along the entire stage in a side-scroller fashion. Cuphead then got a 3-season show based on the game, paying much respect to it through its characters.
So we know Larnacle is missing a plate, correlating to no mantle cavity. Large, functional eyes keep him apart, and other than that has correct anatomy. Next, before I wrap this up, we can talk about his nose. A Barnacle has no need for a more advanced sensory system. These less than basic eyes with the only purpose of checking for shadows, and relying on common touch the series tips, are all the needed qualities for most environment interactions. An extra structure that the mantle overlaps, forming a nose-like flap, also proposes a more advantageous Barnacle-like bonus. And without gradual advancing, would be a sensory overload for a normal Barnacle. So that's the comparative anatomy of Larnacle the Barnacle. And sorry for the delay. I have recently taken on D&D and COC as a hobby, and am DMing amongst my friends. Though I believe I am off hiatus and getting back into the groove. I hope you enjoyed, and I am thankful for your support. Please consider liking and or subscribing. And until the next scientific breakthrough, see you next time.
Barnacles.